Sit it right here.
Go over there.
Girl,
So you can come over here so we can see you. You're so beautiful. Radiant. Okay, Journey. We wanted to make sure we have a Christmas together as a family. And since our family here in Milwaukee is Milwaukee's finest, I want to have you open a few gifts today before Christmas for your Christmas. Are you ready? Now remember, you got to be grateful for everything, okay? Okay, go.
Okay.
What is it?
It's a bow.
Oh!
Put that in your hair.
It could be your...
Popcorn.
Oh! That's so cute!
Movie
You know,
night.
I love popcorn.
Movie
I
night.
like popcorn with butter.
So nice. And your last and final gift. So how you feel about those gifts?
Amazing.
Huh?
Amazing.
Amazing, isn't it?
She
So,
would start.
you want some more popcorn?
Yeah.
A dog. There's even a There's even a movie said that I want a dog for Christmas.
Hi. I'm gonna name you Kelly.
Is it a girl or a boy?
How about she can't go in your room just yet? She can't go in your room. She goes to the mirror.
Hi, Poochie. Yes, you are. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute.